Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and a film simulation recipe. This is another one from Mark Adams. Mark has shared a number of recipes for the channel. I really appreciate it, Mark. And if you haven't followed along and checked out his website, I will link his website, One Camera, One Lens, down below. He's got some great photos on the website, but also some great film simulation recipes. This one is called MGA Realistic Pro. This is based on the Pro Neg Hi film simulation from Fujifilm. Now, I haven't actually had a film simulation recipe with this one before, so this one kind of also caught my eye for that, but it's perfect film simulation. He created it, he was out, it's the fall, and it was a kind of a gloomy, dark, rainy, wet day, which really matched the weather this morning when I was out for my morning walk. So I figured I'd go down to the park, give this film simulation a try, and share it with all of you. So if you want to check this simulation out, I'll show these sample pictures, let me know what you think. Great for the fall, good simulation, Mark. I will leave the recipe down in the description below so you can check it out. I used this on my Fujifilm X100v. Now the film simulation was created, I believe Mark created it with I believe he uses the X Pro 3, which is a different sensor, so the colors might be a little bit different than what we're showing on Mark's website, but I like them nonetheless. And that's the one thing about these recipes. They're not written in stone. If you have a camera that is different than mine, give it a try. You might be happy with the results. You might have to tweak them a little bit to get the exact same colors, but that's the one thing about these recipes. I do get a lot of comments about that, is asking if I can use it with a certain camera. And the answer is basically, as long as you have the base film simulation in there, and give it a try. It's one thing about a recipe, it's like cooking. You can always try it. If you don't like it, you don't have to use it again. So hopefully you enjoy the photos. Thanks so much, Mark, for sharing. Thanks again, Mark, for sharing your recipe. Really appreciate it. I enjoy looking at your photos on Instagram and on your website. Always appreciate it when you're sharing your recipes, and I love to share them with the viewers of this channel. So thank you so much. And thanks everybody for watching. If you've made it this far and aren't subscribed, I share Fujifilm recipes, simulations on this channel. So if you aren't subscribed, consider subscribing, joining along, and following along to see our different recipes that we share on the channel. If you have a recipe that you'd like to see, that you want to share with others, I'd be more than happy to make a video. Just let me know in the comments below. Leave me a comment. If you have a website, leave me a link to your website. Just let me know how to find your recipe so I can give it a try. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you in the next video.